Hey everyone, it's Naim here. Today we're talking about the European stock market, specifically the Stoxx 600 index, which has been going down recently. This is serious and a lot of people are worried. You might be thinking, Naim, why should I care about Europe's stock market? Well, what happens in Europe affects everyone. The world is connected and problems in one place can quickly spread. So in this video we'll explain why Europe's stock market is struggling, what it means for the world and what it means for you and your money. The Stoxx 600 is like a compass for the European market. It tracks 600 of the biggest companies in 17 European countries. When the Stoxx 600 goes down, the rest of the European market usually follows. We're seeing some of the lowest numbers recently, and investors are worried. Let's look closer at what's causing this. One big problem for Europe is the energy sector, especially oil. China, a huge oil buyer, is having economic problems and buying less oil. Less demand means lower prices, and that's what's happening now. Big European energy companies like BP and Shell are losing money. Their stock prices are dropping because their profits depend on oil prices. Next, let's talk about banks. European banks are facing a lot of problems right now. First, a recession might be coming. When the economy slows down, people borrow less money and have trouble paying back loans. Also, interest rates are going up everywhere, making it more expensive for banks to borrow money. And to make things worse, many European banks have invested heavily in the struggling energy sector. Recession fears from whispers to a roaring chorus. Recent economic reports show bad news for Europe. Growth is slowing, prices are still high, and people aren't confident about the future. When people are worried, they spend less money, wait to buy things, and don't invest. This hurts the economy even more, creating a tough cycle to break. Investors heading for the exit, so we have an energy crisis, banks in trouble, and a possible recession. What should investors do? Many are selling their European stocks. When investors get scared, they sell, which makes prices drop even more. It's like a game of hot potato, but with your money, and no one wants to be left holding it when the game ends. Global impact. When Europe catches a cold, the world shivers. We all live in a connected world. What happens in one place affects everyone. Europe is important to the world economy, so when Europe struggles, the whole world feels it. The US stock market and other countries are also feeling the pressure. The road ahead. Buckle up, it's going to be a bumpy ride. The European stock market is facing many challenges and it's affecting the world. What happens next? Will things get better or worse? No one knows for sure, but it's important to stay informed, be prepared, and be careful with your money. Do your research, spread your investments around, and don't panic. Tell us what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.